this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have here another box in front of me. This time I have a notebook from Lenovo. Lenovo Ideapad is right on this side. Here we can see CPU Intel i3 N305 1.8 GHz, RAM 8 GB, storage 256, SSD, GPU integrated, display 15.6, full HD display, battery 3 cell, OS no operating system. You have to install operating system in this. Okay, so without any further ado, let me unpack this one. Okay, take this machine out from here as this. Let's see. Good. What we have inside the box here, surely the power cord adapter. So size not bad, quite handsome in this case. Put one side. Here is adapter, simple. Have a wrapped in a paper. I leave as it is because I don't need to take out. Lovely packaging is fine. I like how it is. It's all connected here. Here. Lovely. Here you see branding of Lenovo. Beautiful silver finishing. At the back side, you can see here no button. This side we can see some ports. We have USB port, then HDMI, C port, very interesting. You need a C port, then 3.5 jack hole, and for the power, for charging, other purpose. Here no more ports. This side you can see the machine, nothing at all, only the lock here. And this side, lovely, we have a SD card slot, the big one, so you can use small, big, whatever, and one more USB port here. Lovely. You have a mic here as well, and the lead of power, mic and power lead light. You have bottom of the machine, you can see only the holes for heat. We have some rubber. The machine will not slide over the table or anything. So put here, and I will open this one. There we go. It has two things inside. They send me a paper. More information if you want to know, write in Spanish. And some indicator, one more paper. And look at this beautiful machine. Looks something as MacBook, to be honest. As a MacBook I'm using, the keys are look as a MacBook, but here is all plastic MacBook, it's silver. Here Intel iCore, let me bring closer. You can see Intel iCore, basic configuration. Here Ideapad, scan for e-support. Keypad, you see something as a MacBook. After that MSI Modern version, lovely. Here Lenovo is written. See, 15-inch display. At the top here for sure, you have a webcam. You can see here there's a sticker. You have to take this off for the webcam. Okay, I take this off. Here we go. So you can see the webcam. And lovely machine. It's open all the way as a tablet, you see, all the way. Little bit stop there, but very good how it is all the way, almost 180. So I put here, so I'll connect with charging port here. Let's see other side. Here we go. All is fine. I hit power button. Now I see some light. Let's see how it's starting this computer. Now some blinking here, setup configuration. I hit OK button. Please select boot device. as I said, it doesn't have any operating system, so you have to install everything in this computer. So in my next video I will do a complete review of this computer. If you want to check please. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.